Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal for buyer account access UX, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with PayPal for buyer account access, ensure you have a stable internet connection. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Once on the home page, locate the login button, typically found at the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field and then click Next. Next, input your password in the corresponding field and follow the instructions for the security check, which may include answering security questions or confirming your identity through a linked phone number. Once you have successfully completed the verification, you will be directed to your PayPal account dashboard. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in the account settings. To do this, locate the settings icon, often depicted as a gear, and click on it. In the Account Settings menu, find the Security tab and select it to access your security options. Enable two-factor authentication by following the prompts, which will often involve linking your mobile device. After configuring two-factor authentication, return to your dashboard to access all available features. To authenticate for specific buyer account features, navigate to the My Profile section. In your profile, you may find various options to verify your purchase history or set up payment methods. Ensure all provided information is accurate and up to date to avoid issues during transactions. Once everything is set, you are now fully authenticated and ready to access your buyer account features. Make sure to log out after your session for added security, especially on shared devices. You have successfully authenticated with PayPal for buyer account access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.